Greetings, House Chair, Honorable Ministers and Deputy Ministers, Honorable Members, and our fellow officials. May I read the following laws that governed us since then. The Free State Ordinance 5 of 1876, dealing with the rights of colored, precluded them in owning property unless one parent of the person was white. The next one, Franchise and the Ballot Act of 1892, Squatters Act of 1895 in the then Orange Free State, Glen Grey Act of 1894, the Native Reserve Location Act of 1902, the Crown Lands Disposal Ordinance of 1903, the Native Land Act 27 of 1913, which solidified African lands dispossession that dated back to 1800. From 1994 to 2024, the Africans still remain dispossessed of their land. I just wanted to read that part so that at least I can give my input. My input is that you took our land when we were using our native law, and then you use Roman Dutch law for it to be returned to us, and that is foreign. And Roman Dutch and British law has no jurisdiction in this land. So there is what we call a legal paradox, where a law that has no jurisdiction in a foreign land being used by the natives to comply. That is impossible. Okay, let me move on. Eluhatle in army base as a Northern Cape. Kuno inkosi lapha uholele Nototo. In 1911, their land was taken, and the army is now based there. But not just the army, also the minerals in their land. That's a richer spot in the Northern Cape. It is a bone of contention today, and the matter is not resolved. We are going there to solve that problem. And our land, by the way, I understand, ministers, when you say you don't have money. Money is not with you, the state. The person who's got money is Rupert and Oppenheimer. And there are two guys who are actually monopolizing the South African economy. I can take you back from 1917 when Ernest Oppenheimer established Anglo-America. Harry Oppenheimer after him, and Nicky Oppenheimer after him. 3 generations. In over 100 years, the country is held at ransom and nobody's saying anything about it. Now you say there is no money in the state. Oppenheimer and Rupert are making more money in this country, and that money doesn't go to the state. And that's the problem. You must go and get that money. Besides, when you took our title deeds and when you took our land, you gave that land to the private sector. So our land is not necessarily with you, the state. It is with the private sector. Now, we lodged claim in 1994 when the ruling party didn't meet the legal prescription that said from the 31st December 1993 to 1998, 31st December, lodge claims so that your land can be returned. Ruling party didn't subscribe and didn't comply. But thank God the kings complied with that law and they claimed their land. Derek Hanekom, the first minister after 1999, he announced these title deeds on newspapers. You instituted a commission of who are the real kings, and the outcome said, we are the kings. After that, we never heard about that report. Ask Judge Nklapo, where is he now? And that report.
Honourable Member, unfortunately, your time has expired.
Therefore, I'm landing.
Your time has expired. Honourable Member.
So we are saying we are not supporting this because it is not in line with the things I've just mentioned. Thank you.